Hey guys, Josh Nelson here from Thrive Health Co in Graceville. Now I just want to answer a little question that I get asked very regularly in the clinic, being a chiropractor myself, and a question that constantly gets asked by patients is, why do certain practitioners use adjustments or manipulation or joint mobilizations to help me get out of pain or make me feel better? And as a chiropractor, obviously, that is one of our major skill sets that we use to get you feeling better again. The easiest way to explain it, and there's obviously the direct relationship where you feel something release or click or pop or whatever it is you might have seen on, I'm sure lots of YouTube videos out there or things like that, is there is obviously that releasing of tension, or what we believe is a release of a specific gas within the joint that allows the pressure to normalize a little bit. But the way I like to explain it to patients in a really easy way is that if you can imagine in all the joints of your spine, you have these little things called mechanoreceptors. And essentially what they are is they're like little GPS devices in every joint of your spine. And so they basically sense where our spine is in space and tells our brain where it is, and so our brain can relay information back and forth to keep us upright and in the correct posture to take stress and strain off the joint. Now, unfortunately, what happens over time if we're not exercising enough, or if we're sitting in sedentary postures or in poor positions for long periods of time, such as sleeping on a poor pillow or sleeping on our stomach or sitting with rounded shoulders and our head craned forward, what that does is those receptors start to essentially switch off a little bit. They become fatigued and they aren't as strong as they once were, and how the body perceives all these little joints in space starts to lower. So one thing, by getting those joints moving and freeing those joints up and getting them moving better again, and believe it or not, it may, to some, look a little bit scary, but it's actually quite a comfortable thing to have done, and it actually feels pretty good for most people to get that release and that relief from their pain. It basically wakes up all those little GPS devices in your spine or in your ankle or in your wrist or wherever we're working on, which allows the brain to sense where we are in space better, that allows us to hold ourselves in a better posture or a better position. That allows the muscles to work better to hold us in that good position as well, and therefore leads us to an easier way to retrain your body and keep you out of pain long term. So I hope for some of you that's answered a little question as to why many of our practitioners in here, not just chiropractors, but also some of our other practitioners, do utilize specific adjustments or joint manipulations and mobilizations in their treatment protocols to make sure you get the best results in the quickest possible time. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we look forward to seeing you guys soon.